Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another backdrop setup for you guys. I'll be setting up a backdrop for a gender reveal party, but in this video I'll be unboxing a new sequin shimmer wall backdrop. Guys, I'm so excited to see what is in this box, so I'll be doing this on camera, and also I have a backdrop stand that I'll be unboxing on camera. So without saying much more guys, let's get started. Alright, okay, let's do the backdrop stand first. So guys, I bought 2 of this, so I already know what this looks like, so I'm just doing one on camera. So this is the Limo Studio backdrop stand. It came with a carrier bag. So this is one stand. There you go. This is one stand, and these are the crossbars. So they are labeled A. This one is B. This is B. So we have 2B. So these 2Bs, they are supposed to go in the middle, depending on how wide you want the backdrop. And this one is D. So the A and the D, it goes at the 2 ends. Let me see. Alright, this is another stand. So it's the same thing. Same thing as this. So I don't have to pull this one out. Alright, let me see what comes in this box, because I didn't look at these. I got 4 clamps, backdrop clamps. These are very strong. And I got 2 sandbags. So this is one and this is another one. I'm just gonna pack up these, and now I'm going to do the shimmer. Oh, there's something else. I didn't even realize that there's something else in the bag because I didn't pull out. So these are some clips. These are some backdrop clips. They can hold balloons or drapes. And let me see what is this. These are other clips as well that can hold the drapes on the backdrop. More clips. And of course, an instruction booklet. So guys, I'm just gonna put these back in the box and put this away because this is not the focus. The focus is the shimmer wall. This is what I'm excited to see. I know that this is a very delicate piece of item, so I have to be extremely careful. Wow. There's a protective thing right here. So guys, this is it. It's beautiful, bright. So these are some little sequin shimmer panel, and this panel has some plastic at the back. It's very delicate guys, so I guess I have to be extremely careful. So I'm just gonna lay it down flat. So there are 15 of them in the box. I'm taking all of them out of the box and I'm carefully checking them one by one for any damages. So now I'm laying them flat face down and I'm just going to connect them. So each panel has 8 connecting clips on them. So basically all I'm doing is just clipping them together like so. So guys, this is how it looks when they are connected. As you can see, they shimmer and create a very elegant look. These are some extra sequin panels. They came in the box. So these are replacement panels, guys. So if any of the panels are broken or bent, I can replace them. Also, these are some tie straps. They came in the box to help with connecting the panels together. This is the instruction booklet. There's not much instruction on it. It's just telling what is in the box. So I guess I would have to figure out how to connect this sequin wall backdrop. It's pretty easy to connect, so I just connect a few and I'm just gonna tie it on the backdrop stand. So I've figured out that it's much easier to connect the panels on the backdrop stand one by one instead of connecting all of them on the ground. Try to lift it up and tie it on the stand, because in that process I realized that when I'm lifting it, some of them are coming off. So I'll just continue to connect them one by one on the stand, and I'll just show you the final look. Guys, this is the backdrop fully set up. I like the look. It's gold, shimmery, and it's pretty. And even the effect, you know, the wind is blowing and, you know, it's like glittering even in the sun. So the full measurement is 5 feet wide by 6 feet tall. I ordered another box, so definitely the backdrop will be much bigger when it comes. So now I'm going to proceed by adding the balloons. As I mentioned earlier, this is a photo booth for a gender reveal party. So I'm using pink and blue balloons, and I'm just gonna add a few white balloons. So I'm finished making the balloon garland. So what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna dress it up with some small balloons. I'm just filling all the spaces with these fillers, and I'm just gonna add a few flowers all over just to Dress it up to make it look pretty and give it more character. I'm adding some tulips and wisteria, and I'm gonna add some greenery in it to make it look more defined. Guys, this is it. I think it looks elegant, chic, beautiful. The colors are soft and it suits the occasion. And I think adding the greenery along with the white tulips and the wisteria makes it look so pretty and eye-catching. I'm going to use the Cricut to cut out an Oh Baby name sign and place it on it. Now I'm designing the sign, and I'm weeding it now. I'm using a white glitter foam. So guys, this is the final look. I'm placing the name sign on the backdrop. As you can see, the shimmer wall, guys, it's glowing, it's shimmering in the light. This is a night view. This shimmer wall is so perfect for a photo booth. I think the couple is gonna love this backdrop. In fact, guys, they have seen it and they are so much in love with it already. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a thumbs up or a comment if you like. Also guys, if you like for me to create one of these beautiful backdrops for you to decorate for your parties, your event, whatever occasion, you can contact me. My information is in the description down below, and you can also connect with me on Instagram at freecasdesigns. To my subscribers, I would like to express my deepest gratitude. Thank you for being here with me thus far. If it's your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. My name is Africa. On this channel, I do home decor and DIYs. I also decorate for events. I make storage boxes and headboards, and I also do customization, and the list goes on. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.